All right, this is a 2018 Kia Soul. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on the audio system. So I'm sitting in the front. Do you see this right here? This is the audio system. I'm going to press this button right here. This is the power button. Power push, it says. So I'm going to press it. Whoa! It turns on just like that. Now to turn the volume down, you just take this and you go counterclockwise. Turn it up, you go clockwise. So we're going to turn it down so you can hear me talk. Okay, once it's on, you can go through different menu settings. Okay, you can go through the radio. So you press that, it turns the radio, and you have all these options. Touch screen, which is really cool. It has the media. You can switch between the media. Okay, just like that. You can seek and change the radio by pressing the track seek buttons. All right. And then over here, it has apps button, the phone button. You can set it, and then the setup button where you can set up your Bluetooth controls through. And also there's a file tune button right here where you can fine tune your radio stations. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching.